Ever felt like no matter how hard you work, money just slips through your fingers? That frustrating feeling of being stuck in a financial rut. That's a money block, a limiting belief or behavior that prevents you from achieving financial freedom. Maybe you grew up in a household where money was always tight, creating a subconscious fear of abundance. Or perhaps you've experienced past failures that have made you hesitant to take financial risks. Identifying these blocks is the first crucial step towards building passive income. Understanding where your financial anxieties stem from allows you to actively challenge and overcome them. This isn't about blame, it's about self-awareness. Let's dig deeper into those limiting beliefs and start breaking them down together. Ready to take control of your financial destiny? Subscribe now and let's get started. We think there's only so much to go around. Creating a competitive environment. This scarcity mindset hinders our ability to believe in our own potential for wealth. It also leads to impulsive spending, trying to fill the void of fear. Another significant block is the fear of failure. This fear stops many from even attempting to generate passive income streams, let alone investing. People feel safer in their known, even if financially uncomfortable, reality. Overcoming these fears requires consciously adopting an abundance mindset, believing there's enough wealth for everyone. This shift in perspective is essential, paving the way for you to fully pursue passive income opportunities without self-sabotage. Start small, experiment with different strategies, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learning from those errors is part of the journey. Perfectionism, when applied to financial goals, becomes a form of paralysis. Perfection is the enemy of progress. This isn't about becoming reckless, it's about taking intelligent, calculated risks. Remember, starting is half the battle. Many people simply don't understand the basics of investing, budgeting, or even managing their bank accounts. This lack of knowledge leads to poor financial decisions and makes the pursuit of passive income seem daunting and unattainable. But you don't have to be a finance expert to succeed. We'll break down everything in simple, easily digestible terms. It is crucial to address this knowledge gap early. Understanding basic financial principles empowers you to make smart decisions. This empowerment builds confidence, leading you to take the next steps in this journey. Now that we've acknowledged and begun addressing your potential money blocks, let's explore the exciting world of passive income opportunities. Passive income, as the name suggests, is money you earn without actively working for it. This doesn't mean you won't put in any work up front. Rather, it means that once the initial setup is complete, the money flows relatively effortlessly. There are several streams available to you. Identifying the ones that best suit your skills and resources is crucial. Think about your passions, hobbies, and skills. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? These are starting points to discovering suitable opportunities. Maybe you have an interesting collection of items you could sell online. Think creatively. Even seemingly small skills and assets can generate passive income with the right approach. Don't underestimate your abilities. You have more potential than you think. The initial investment involves creation, but once launched, these products can sell automatically, bringing you consistent income while you sleep. Another great option, especially if you enjoy connecting with people, is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on each sale. This requires marketing and promoting your affiliate link, but it often leads to lucrative long-term returns. Beyond digital products and affiliate marketing, consider investing in dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, or peer-to-peer lending. These are more traditional passive income streams, but require a more significant initial investment. These options offer steady and relatively consistent returns over time. It's essential to do your research before making any investment decisions. Understand the risks involved and only invest what you can afford to lose. Remember, there is no single best passive income stream. The most successful strategies are often those tailored to your individual skills, resources, and risk tolerance. We'll explore various strategies in detail later. The key is to brainstorm potential avenues and carefully evaluate which ones align best with your overall goals and capabilities. This is about building a sustainable long-term income, not just a quick buck. Let's move on to the next step. Before diving headfirst into any passive income strategy, let's pause and assess your actual needs. Many people jump into the pursuit of passive income without a clear understanding of why they want it. What are you hoping to achieve? Are you aiming for financial independence, early retirement, or simply supplementing your existing income? Clarifying your goals is vital for choosing the right path and staying motivated along the way. Are you aiming for a specific monthly income target? Do you want to pay off debt, save for a down payment on a house, or perhaps build a nest egg for retirement? The more precise your goals, the easier it will be to measure your progress and stay focused. Don't aimlessly pursue passive income. Give your efforts direction. Have a clear target in mind and plan the best way to reach it. Track your expenses for a few months to identify areas where you can cut back. This awareness will help you determine how much passive income you need to generate to reach your objectives. If you have no idea where your money goes, it's near impossible to make a sound financial plan. How much passive income would you need to afford that desired lifestyle? Connecting your financial aspirations with your broader life goals provides a compelling motivation to push through the challenges of building a passive income stream. Knowing what you work towards will make the process much more rewarding. Building passive income is a long-term game. Staying flexible and adapting your strategy as you progress is crucial for sustained success. Your journey towards financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Let's build a strong foundation together. We'll delve into a few proven options, starting with the relatively low-risk, low-investment ones. Think of it as laying the foundation for long-term income. If you are creative, consider creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, templates, stock photos, or music. These products can be sold on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, or your own website. This allows for a large, diverse market, though consistent promotion is key. Think of selling something that solves a problem people face. There will be a market for it. Affiliate marketing, as mentioned earlier, involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on each sale. This can be done through your blog, social media, or email marketing. This is a low-risk way to generate passive income by leveraging the products and efforts of others, but it depends on traffic and a good sales funnel. Investing in dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, or peer-to-peer lending is a viable strategy, but requires a more significant initial investment and carries more risk. These options can provide a steady stream of passive income, but it's crucial to do your research and invest wisely. Let's now explore the mindset that will elevate your success. The yokai mindset isn't about summoning mythical creatures. It's about embracing a specific perspective that will significantly influence your success in building passive income. The yokai mindset is about seeing opportunities where others see obstacles, persisting despite setbacks, and believing in your ability to achieve your financial goals, even when faced with doubt. It's about being resilient and persistent, even when the going gets tough. This mindset is crucial for navigating the challenges inherent in building passive income streams. The path to passive income is rarely a straight line. Passive income streams don't usually generate significant income overnight. Be patient, persistent, and keep pushing forward, even when you don't see immediate results. This is a marathon. Your efforts will eventually yield significant rewards. The mindset of slow and steady wins the race is essential here. A positive mindset fuels perseverance and resilience, essential ingredients for success in the long term. Success comes from belief in your ability and actions taken towards that belief. Now, let's recap some essential points. We identified scarcity mindset, fear of failure, perfectionism, lack of financial literacy, and procrastination as significant roadblocks. To overcome these, we need to actively challenge these beliefs, focusing on the abundance mindset and proactively seeking financial education. Remember, it's a journey of self-awareness and consistent effort. By actively challenging this belief and adopting an abundance mindset, believing there's enough wealth for everyone, we create a positive environment for success. Fear of failure can be overcome by starting small, embracing calculated risks, and learning from mistakes. Perfectionism can be addressed by celebrating progress over perfection, focusing on consistent action instead of aiming for unattainable ideals. Lack of financial literacy is overcome through education and seeking resources to improve your understanding of financial concepts. Procrastination can be overcome by taking the first step, however small. Let's move on to reviewing the passive income opportunities we discussed. Overcoming money blocks isn't about blaming yourself. It's about understanding the root cause of your financial anxieties and consciously working toward a solution. Remember, this process is integral to achieving long-term financial success. Let's move on to reinforcing our understanding of the opportunities at hand. We explored blogging, creating and selling online courses, creating and selling digital products, affiliate marketing, investing in dividend-paying stocks, and real estate investments. Remember, the best option for you depends on your skills, resources, and risk tolerance. Online courses require upfront work in creating high-quality content, but then offer passive income through automated sales. Digital product creation demands creativity and marketing skills, but can offer a diverse range of income opportunities. Affiliate marketing relies on promoting others' products and services, requiring marketing expertise. Investment opportunities, while potentially highly rewarding, also carry significant risk and require substantial financial capital. Each of these avenues has its own set of pros and cons. Blogging requires dedication to content creation and SEO. Online courses demand high-quality content and effective marketing. Digital products need to be both high quality and appeal to a specific market niche. Affiliate marketing requires the right product and effective promotion. Investments require understanding of markets, timing, and potentially considerable risk. Evaluating the viability of each option requires thorough research and realistic self-assessment. Consider your strengths, weaknesses, resources, and risk tolerance. Don't spread yourself too thin. Focus on one or two strategies that you feel confident pursuing. Concentrate your efforts for greater results. The path to passive income is often a journey of trial and error. Remember that persistence and adaptation are key. Remember, we previously defined our financial objectives, whether that's early retirement, debt payoff, or simply supplementing current income. This is where we connect our why with our how. However, be mindful of the inherent risks in such endeavors. Due diligence is paramount. These can generate a steady stream of income without requiring a large initial investment. This offers flexible opportunities, fitting around your current schedule and workload. Remember, it's not just about the money. It's about building a sustainable financial future that aligns with your life goals. Choosing the right strategies is crucial for long-term success. Let's ensure a proper planning approach to maximize success. It's more than just choosing a strategy. It involves setting realistic goals, creating a timeline, and tracking your progress. If you're starting a blog, set a goal to publish 1 article per week for the first month. This makes the larger goal feel less overwhelming. This process of breaking down tasks will increase your chance of success. Track your progress regularly. Use a spreadsheet or project management tool to monitor your income, expenses, and overall progress. This keeps you on track and helps you identify areas for improvement. Monitoring your progress is critical for maintaining motivation. Your journey will likely require adjustments along the way. Building an online business involves risks like competition, changing algorithms, and market trends. Staying updated on industry trends and adapting your strategies accordingly is vital. Flexibility and innovation are crucial. With any passive income strategy, it's essential to have a financial cushion. Unexpected events can disrupt your income stream. Having savings to cover expenses during lean periods is essential. A financial cushion is a valuable safeguard. Numerous tools and resources can support your journey toward passive income generation. Leveraging these tools can significantly increase your efficiency and effectiveness. For online course creation, platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Udemy offer user-friendly interfaces and built-in marketing tools. These streamline the process of creating and selling your courses. This provides transparency and the data necessary for improving your strategies. Building passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. Maintaining momentum and achieving long-term success requires consistent effort, adaptation, and a positive mindset. Acknowledge and appreciate your achievements no matter how small. This positive reinforcement is crucial for maintaining motivation and perseverance. Don't get discouraged. Remember why you started and keep pushing forward. Perseverance is key to long-term success. Your financial freedom journey starts now.